Welcome back to another book cover review. Today we're taking a look at Fish and Seafood from Practical Cooking. So there's no specific author here, so I'm assuming this is a compendium of contributions under the Practical Cooking umbrella. So here on the front cover, we can see here some stock photography of various items. If we look on the binding, just fish and seafood, a little illustration there, and the Parragon Publishing logo. If we look on the back, we can see here a little bit of a description on the book. There used to be a price tag there. You can kind of decipher what was underneath there, again from Parragon Publishing, as well as some barcode information. No dust cover with this example. So if we look at the inside of the covers, we can see here these blue cover pages there. Continuing, you can see here a title page, another title page, and then our publishing information. So this is from 2003, a Parragon Publishing book, originally from 2000. Some notes there on ingredients to keep in mind. And then we have some contents here broken down also into categories as well. That continues over a number of pages, as you can see. Index at 254. So let's take a quick look. It does include several pages there. And then our introduction. There's going to be a lot of stock photography as the introduction goes over a number of pages, as you can see there. We even have a section on how to use the book, and then it gets right into the categories. And go ahead and flip through here. See here a number of recipes under different categories. Working our way backwards. Kind of see the format, pictures, nutritional information, ingredients, and then steps for each recipe under each category. But taking a quick look at fish and seafood from Practical Cooking. This has been another book cover review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage meal syrup tools and expanded topics. And we also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.